Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I would request कि आप मेरे चेहरे को अच्छी तरह से देख लें क्योंकि आज जो मैं प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने वाली हूँ उससे मेरे चेहरा बिल्कुल चेंज होने वाला है। मेरी स्किन अभी बहुत बुरी तरह से टैन हो रखी है। आई कैन फील द डार्कनेस ऑन माई फेस एंड माई बॉडी. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ समथिंग big and new. So as you can see, I have this beautiful kit from Innisfree. This is Super Volcanic Pore Clay Duo Set. So let me show you whole product of this kit. What will you get? So first of all, it's Super Volcanic Pore Micellar Cleanser Foam, and the second one is Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and the third one is one of my most favorite serum, that is green tea seed serum. Along with you will get a 5 piece of face sheet mask, and it's a green tea sheet mask. Innisfree के sheet mask बहुत ही amazing होते हैं, बहुत ही hydrating होते हैं, and this one green sheets are one of my favorite masks. So along with I got free this apple seed cleansing tissue, and I'm going to wipe my face with this tissue before starting my cleansing routine with this Innisfree set. So before starting the video, I'm requesting you all to please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's get started. So जैसा कि आपने देखा कि मैंने अपना पूरा फेस इस टिश्यू से अच्छी तरह से साफ़ कर लिया है. अब मैं अपने फेस को करूँगी क्लिनज, और मैं यहाँ पे ये पोर मिसलर क्लिनजिंग फॉर्म यूज़ करने वाली हूँ इनिसफ्री का. So I'm going to tell you guys that Innisfree is one of the most amazing skincare product. It's basically a Korean skincare product which is really good for all skin type. So the texture of this cleansing foam is really smooth and really soft, as I can feel on my skin. So I have just cleansed my face and I'm just wiping with the wet towel. आप इसे वॉश भी कर सकते हो, वाइप भी कर सकते हो. सो आई वाइप इट एंड वॉश बोथ. So after this I can feel the softness and the glow in my face, and I'm going to use this Pore Clay mask. It will remove your tan from your face, and it will also helps to minimize your open pores. So it will look like this, and it smells really nice, guys, I can tell you. So I'm applying a very good amount of this mask on my face properly, and I'm also going to apply this mask on my neck a little bit, so it will also remove my tanning all over my face and neck. So as you can see, I've applied it, and I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes, and then we can wash it after 10 minutes. So it's almost done, and I'm going to use here a toner, or you can use a water, whatever you want. So I'm going to use this Good Vibes toner all over my face. So I'm going to spray it. So after using this toner, we need to massage our face for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to spray it, and I'm going to massage it like this. So make it really softly and very gently, and I can feel the little a scrub type of texture on this mask. So it will also remove my dead skin and my blackheads. So I'm really massaging my face really well, and I'm going to wipe it again with this wet towel. So while removing this mask, I can see the results in a very first use, guys. As you can see, my face looks so bright before then, and I can feel a very small, soft and very smooth skin, and it's really shining, and I can see the brightness, instant glow and instant brightness on my face, and it helps to remove your tan. So now I'm going to use the sheet mask. It's a green tea sheet mask. So this sheet mask will really hydrate my skin instantly, and it will also help my skin look glow. So basically it's a water based sheet mask. इसको ओपन करते ही इसके अंदर से बहुत सारा water based serum निकला है, and इसके अंदर बहुत सारा serum available है water based likely. And this sheet mask is if you have combination skin or dry skin, then you can use this. I would not suggest this mask to oily skin because it will make your skin more oily. So I'm just applied it, and it looks so transparent. I'm going to massage it for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to leave it for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, if you feel that your sheet has still have left amount of serum, then you can I use it twice. So after 20 minutes, I can see the serum if still on my sheet. So I'm not going to throw it. मैं इसको फिर से अपने पैकेज में रख लूँगी स्टोर करके so that I can use it twice. So I always do this step if I feel that my sheet mask left more amount of serum still after using it. So I always kept it with myself and use it twice. So आप देख सकते हैं अभी मेरे face में अभी भी बहुत सारा serum आपको दिख रहा है because it's lot of serum in this sheet mask. So I'm going to massage it my face using this electric massager. Basically, I got this massager from Miniso, and it's really good massager in a very affordable price. So it basically vibrate and it will activate your blood circulation all over your face, which will react your skin instantly. So you can use it this massager daily, and you can use it as a electric massager like this. So I always use this massager daily on my face, and I can see the result really good of this using this massager daily. So after this, I'm going to massage again with my hand, with my palm. So मेरे स्किन में अभी भी सीरम जो है अच्छी तरह से अब्जॉर्व नहीं हुआ है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू मसाज इट अगेन एंड इट विल अब्जॉर्व all over my skin completely. Then you can see the final result. I can see the result just right now. My face is looking so bright and so glowy. So I'm going to massage it like this, and I'm going to massage for about 10 minutes more because it's really it's really good to massage your face as much as you can, because you can see the results, guys. I can see the instant glow and instant brightness on my face, and my skin feels so baby skin, baby soft skin, and it's really makes my skin looks different. So instead of using this green tea seed serum, I'm not going to use it because I've already applied a green seed face sheet mask. So instead of using this, I'm going to use this serum which I got this along with this kit free of cost. So it's a brightening pore serum. It will also brighten my skin and minimize my pore. So this serum is also a water-based serum. Basically, I have a combination skin, so I always use a water-based serum and a water-based product. So it will not makes my skin oily. So it's really watery, as you can see. So मैं अच्छी तरह से अपने फेस पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी एंड इट विल टोटली अब्जॉर्व माय स्किन, गाइस. सो बेसिकली मैं बता दूँ, ये जो किट है, इस किट को यूज़ करने से आपके स्किन में इंस्टेंट ब्राइटनेस आता है, टैनिंग को बिल्कुल रिमूव करता है एंड आपके पोर्स को मिनिमाइज़ करता है. मैं आपको अभी रिज़ल्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ इंस्टेंटली. आपको अभी से ही मेरे फेस में काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस दिख रहे होंगे, क्योंकि मुझे तो दिख रहे हैं. So you can see that, guys, the result, and I'm going to show you my before and after picture. So here is the before picture, guys, where I have so dull and dark skin, and after using this kit I have so bright and so glowy skin, guys. I just feel the difference. And I have a little open pores just before using this kit, but now I can see my pores are really gone. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe, and have a good day, guys. So bye bye and see you in the next video.